All right, we're on to week 5, so you are officially halfway done. I know we did a salad recipe with its own dressing last week, but I know a lot of people love a creamy dressing on their salads. Ranch is probably the most popular. It's really hard to come up with a healthy version of ranch that really mimics ranch, so I did my best here to kind of come up with something that reminds you of ranch but might not taste exactly like the ranch that you love and know. But you're gonna love the nutrients in it and the calorie impact that it has versus the regular ranch. So you'll be able to have a lot more of this than your normal ranch. The reason I use avocado oil mayo here is that it's a little bit cleaner ingredient list. Most mayonnaise is made with soybean oil and has sugar in it and all the extra additives. Soybean oil or soybeans in general are very highly processed, very genetically modified, so it's something I try to keep out of my diet because it can really mess with hormone function. Avocado oil, which is higher in omega-3s, has a little bit more health benefit to it. I think it makes it taste a little bit more like a natural ranch. You could also, instead of the mayonnaise, use a Greek yogurt. Just know that that's going to add a slightly different flavor. It's a little bit more tangy and tart with the Greek yogurt. If you make it with the avocado oil mayonnaise, it will be a little bit higher in fat. If you choose to make it with the Greek yogurt, it will be a little bit higher in protein. So you'll be able to have a little bit more of it if you make it with the Greek yogurt. But this will be great to add on salads, add to your greens, use as a dip for your veggies, just to kind of change things up and replace that creamy, yummy flavor that we might be missing.